Okay, so I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, why would you need a Nano Banana plugin when you can use Nano Banana in Google and you can use Nano Banana in Photoshop? Like, why would you even need this? And that's what I'm going to show you by the end of this video. You're going to be like, oh my God, I need this tool because it's things that you can do with this tool that you can't do with like the normal Nano Banana on Photoshop. Now you notice that I don't have my API key set up. So you have to click on this gear and then you have to click this link here and it's going to take you to Google so you can get your API key. So then you're going to paste it here and then you're going to save it. And now we're going to try to generate, but you're going to get another error message. This message. This means that you don't have the billing account set up on your API key. Okay, so now that you've set up your billing account, we're going to come back to Photoshop and now it should actually work. So let's give it a moment for it to generate, and that way you can see how fast this image is going to generate. And there you go. Didn't take too long. It was only 14 cents. Now I'm doing a selection and I'm basically going to do another prompt, but only like the output is going to only appear like in that selection. It's not going to appear in the full canvas like before. So that was pretty fast. So now we have a dress. What I wanted to show you now is reference image, and reference image or reference images is the real reason why you should have this plugin versus trying to use Nano Banana on Photoshop. Because Photoshop doesn't have, even Photoshop beta, they tried to have like the reference image feature, but it's not as good as this. This is way better, drastically better. And you just have to click this button and it's going to add the reference image to your prompt. And you don't even have to have the actual layer visible when you do this. So now you can change the prompt and have, let's say I want this lady to wear this dress, and it's going to put the dress on the lady that it creates. And this is very, very good for Photoshop editing by far. If you have like a product or something you're trying to promote. Now watch this. This is not even Nano Banana Pro. This is just regular Nano Banana. Watch how good this looks. Insane. See what I mean? So you can really do some powerful stuff with this plugin. I'm going to show you something else that's going to take this to the next level. All right, so now I'm going to use the lady as a reference, and I'm going to put the lady inside of a car. And now watch what happens. And look at that. Now she's in a car. Now it does look kind of weird, so you probably would have to do another reroll because I'm using Nano Banana regular. But for the sake of this video, I think you guys get the point. I'm going to upscale this, and now we're going to use 4K. And this is 25 cents per output, which is pretty expensive. So we're going to use this upscaling prompt. This is something else that I can't do, or you can't do with Photoshop Nano Banana very well. You can upscale with Photoshop, but you can't do like selective upscaling with Photoshop either. Now for this, I'm doing the whole canvas, but you can also do selective upscaling with this too. Now watch this. This is pretty insane what you can do with this. Now look at that. It's upscaled. Isn't that crazy? This is before. This is after. Insane. Yeah, so that's Nano Banana Bridge. You can purchase this in the App Store, and then you just have to connect your API and your billing to the App Store. And yeah, I highly recommend it. I mean, I don't use it for everything, but I use it when I'm in clutch situations where I can't get it to work on Photoshop. I can't get what I want done in Higgsfield or FreePick or even like Google Gemini. If I can't get something to work with any of those, I come to this, and I probably use this at least once or twice a day. It does everything that those other ones can't.